In today's video, I want to introduce a very powerful indicator on TradingView that is built based on machine learning algorithm, and it helps you to discover turning points of the market and evaluate the strength of trends. Just make sure you watch this video until the end because I'm going to teach you a trading strategy based on this indicator that can help you make profit consistently. To add this amazing indicator to our chart, here we click on indicators and we search machine learning momentum index. This one, which is written by someone named Zierman. Alright, this is the indicator, and as you can see, it's added here below the chart. It's in the form of an oscillator that these lines are moving above and below the center line, which is 0. This indicator is actually a momentum oscillator, but unlike to traditional momentum oscillators, this momentum oscillator is built based on machine learning algorithm. In case if you don't know what machine learning is, it's a branch of artificial intelligence and computer science that focuses on the use of data and algorithms to intimate the way that humans learn and gradually improving its accuracy. This indicator uses a special algorithm that is called nearest neighbors algorithm to make more accurate predictions about momentum and to be able to adapt to the current condition of the market. I don't get into more details regarding the algorithm behind this indicator because it's out of the scope of this video, and in practice you just need to learn how to interpret this indicator. In case if you're interested to know more about the algorithm behind this indicator, you can check the page of this indicator on TradingView. The code is also available there and you can more investigate if you know point scripting. Alright, as I said, this indicator combines traditional momentum analysis with machine learning algorithm. It uses fast and slow weighted moving average of RSI to evaluate market's momentum, and then it applies machine learning algorithm to make more accurate predictions on momentum. This blue line that you see here is machine learning momentum index line, and from now we just call it MLMI line for short, and this green line is weighted moving average of the MLMI line. It's actually a smoother version of this blue line, and it helps us to discover buy sell signals based on their crossings. When the blue line crosses above the green line, it's a buy signal predicting advancing of the price, and when the blue line crosses below the green line, it's a sell signal predicting declining of the price. Just like any other buy sell signal indicator on TradingView platform, this indicator also shows signals when a pullback is forming on the chart, which are not worth of trading, and we need to filter them. Later I will teach you a trading strategy that helps you to take the best trading signals from this indicator. Similar to other momentum oscillators, here also the position of MLMI line above or below the center line can indicate direction of the market. When it's moving above 0, it shows uptrend, and when it's moving below 0, it shows downtrend. Reaching to these extreme levels also shows overbought and oversold conditions, and in this indicator it's marked by green and red colors, as you can see when the indicator is located in these extreme areas. Alright, now let me teach you a trading strategy that can help you to take the best buy sell signals generated by this indicator. Before we start the strategy, let me introduce the sponsor of this video, which is OKX. OKX is one of the top crypto exchanges in the world that provides different tools and markets for crypto trading, like spot trading, futures trading, margin trading, among others. There are also trading bots that you can use to automate your trading, and there is also copy trading feature on OKX platform that you can copy top traders on OKX. At the time of recording this video, OKX is ranked at the 3rd place in derivatives market, and with its great amount of trading volume, you have the required liquidity to execute your long and short position strategies in futures market. It offers very good trading fees, and I got 30% discount on trading fees for you, which makes it even lower than Binance. You just need to register with the link that I placed at the description of this video. At the moment, there is also an exclusive event that you can win up to $60,000 in rewards, so make sure you register with the link that I placed below this video. And one of the great points of OKX is that it's already integrated with TradingView platform, which means you can connect your OKX to TradingView and trade from here with all your favorite tools and indicators. The link to integration guide is placed below in the description, and just make sure you register with the link that I placed there so you can enjoy 30% off on your trading fees. Alright, getting back to our indicator and the strategy that I wanted to explain. As I said, this indicator, besides providing buy sell signals based on crossing of green line and blue line, it also helps us with identifying trends depending on being above 0 or below 0, and also it helps us to evaluate the strength of trends by giving us information on overbought and oversold condition of the market. The strategy that I want to teach you is a trend following strategy. We can use the trend identification of this indicator as a guide to know what the overall trend is. For example, here here, since it's above 0, the trend is up. So we would take this buy signal. But since the trend is up, we should not take these sell signals. But as you can see, we have many false center line crossovers, and they usually happen during the pullbacks. And in practice, this can lead us to take false signals. We don't want to decrease the sensitivity of this indicator because it will affect the buy sell signals based on these crossovers. So a better solution is to add another indicator that will help us with the overall trend, and we use this indicator only for buy sell signals. So here we click on indicators and we search MACD, this one, moving average convergence divergence, and for this indicator we need to change its settings. Here for the fast length we set it at 100, for the slow length we set it at 200, and for the signal smoothing we set it at 50. And then here in the style tab we remove MACD line and signal line because we don't need them. And for this indicator, as I said, we use it with its default settings, which is an optimal settings for this indicator. Just in case if you want to change these settings based on your trading strategy, please pay attention that the amount that is set for prediction data is actually the number of neighbors used in the nearest neighbors algorithm. If you increase it, it will consider more neighbors, so making the prediction more stable, but it becomes less responsive to the sudden changes that is happening in the market. On the other hand, if you decrease it, it becomes more sensitive to the price changes, so you will have less stable prediction line. And this trend length is actually the length of the trend that is used in computing the momentum. If you decrease it, the indicator becomes more sensitive to short-term price changes, so generating more false signals. And if you increase it, the indicator becomes less responsive to short-term price changes. And please pay attention that this indicator doesn't work well on higher time frames like 1 day, 1 week, and so on. So it's better to use it on intraday time frames like 4 hours, 1 hour, 15 minutes or lower. Alright, this MACD with this special settings will help us with the overall trend of the market. When it's green, it shows uptrend, and when it's red, it shows downtrend. When MACD histogram is green, which tells us we are in an uptrend, we only take buy signals, which is when the blue line crosses above the green line. We don't take the sell signals when the blue line crosses below the green line, because MACD histogram is green and it's telling us that we are in an uptrend, so we should take buy signals. And on the other hand, when MACD histogram is red, we don't take buy signals and we only take sell signals when the blue line crosses below the green line. Please pay attention that this is a trend following strategy, which means it works well when the market is trending, but it doesn't work well when the market is not trending. And in this situation, the number of false signals will be increased, like here this buy signal, which is a false signal. So you need to also filter the signals that are happening during range markets. In other words, you need to identify range markets and stop trading when there is no trend in the market. The most effective way for discovering non-trending market is price action analysis, but there are also some indicators like ADX, this one, average directional index, that can help you on this. If you're familiar with this indicator, so you know that when it's below 20, it shows non-trending market. And for example, here you can see that it shows flat market very well, and we could avoid this false signal. And also this one, because ADX is below 20, telling us that there is no trend in the market. Please pay attention that no indicator or strategy is able to generate 100% guaranteed signals. Losing trades are always part of the game, and you need to manage the risk properly. There is a risk management strategy that is called 1% rule, and it's a perfect choice for active trading. I have a complete guide on this. The link is also placed in the description of this video, and I highly recommend you to watch it so you learn how to manage your risk properly. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and leave a comment for me. I'll answer your questions as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell so you get the notifications of my new videos. See you guys in next video, and good luck with your trading.